In this material, we will discuss the key steps in the process of implementing and configuring exocad software for prototype design and simulation. We start with user data management. You need to set a password and user profile, then download and manually run the exocad executable file as there is no installer. Open the README file, and then you need to add a special code snippet to the listed XML file to properly configure the installation. Go to the folder with the program, then in the Dental DB folder and then config, find the default settings DB file and open it with an editor. Find the start button line in the file, and then copy the code snippet from the README file and paste it in the marked place. Then save the file. Later, paste the icon you downloaded earlier into the icons folder and set it. Then run the application. The FEM with SimQ button will appear. When you press on it, log into your account and then you can upload and transfer the file. By logging into your profile, you can check the status of uploaded files. After analyzing your model, you can check the results in your account. It is also important to receive feedback from users and make improvements. This allows us to meet customer requirements and optimize your project for 3D printing and processing. In case of problems or feedback, write to us at support@simq.de.